some creative educational toys for your kids, then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. You can find n number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. You can check out our website link in the description below. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make your own paper purse.
The materials required are A4 size sheets, sketch pens, scissors, Fevicol and whitener. Take an A4 sheet and cut it in square. Now fold the sheet in half from both the sides. Fold the top and bottom of the sheet to the center and do the same horizontally. Observe carefully and fold the sheet to make a purse-like figure. Fold all the edges inwards, then fold it in half. Similarly, make one more purse with another sheet. With Fevicol, let's paste the sheet. Take another sheet and cut it in square. Fold the sides of the sheet and paste them as shown. Paste the purse on the sheet and fold it. Fold the corners inward. Cut a strip from a sheet and fold it. Paste the paper strip on the front of the purse to make its lock. Now decorate your purse and it's ready.
And share your work in the Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting day. Until then, bye.